hello and welcome. My name is Giovanni Krista. In today's video, I will be revamping the look of my living room. I went ahead and removed all decor and miscellaneous furniture pieces. Now I have a clean slate to create a new look. I want to incorporate neutrals with pops of black and some natural elements. I'm going for a modern minimal look, a cozy and functional space. I'll be linking everything I can down below. I'm going to start by removing these outlet covers I'm using to conceal these unsightly outlets. They are paintable, so let's head out to my garage and get to work. I'm first spray painting them in satin black, then adding a couple coats of Ignore chalk paint. While those are drying, let's add some window treatments to this window. I'm installing these curtains wider and higher than the window itself. To allow more light to filter in and to make the room feel grand and look more high-end. Let's clean the floor of any debris. The covers came out with a really nice crackle finish. This will definitely add some visual interest to the walls. Let's give this surface a wipe down. You guys see this couch? It's a bit old, but I'm gonna add some life back into it by fluffing and rotating the cushions. This now exposes the black Velcro backing, but I'm kind of liking it. I'm bringing in my entryway table to use as a sofa table, which can serve the same purposes as a coffee table. I really like the organic look of this solid mango wood table. It looks vintage and adds character to the space. I now have a place to display decor pieces as well as a place to set drinks or snacks while relaxing on the sofa. In styling my sofa, I'm propping the pillows against the armrest instead of the backrest for a different look. Adding my favorite throw blanket in the center for coziness. Let's add in some faux olive trees for a calming ambiance. This wall off to the side of my living room is the perfect place for my wall clock. The wall space opposite the window is where I'll hang my canvas painting. I want to create a little reading area here, so I'll need to bring in a floor lamp. For seating, I'll just use this outdoor accent chair with a throw pillow for comfort. Beside it, I'll put a side table and a decorative vase with some dried branches. To complete the look, let's place a book, a candle, and a coaster for drinks on the nearby media console. On the other end, some simple decor pieces. This sofa end seems bare, so I'm gonna add a large vessel with some faux florals. What do you guys think? Comment down below, I would love to read your thoughts. I kept a simple color palette of neutrals, using black and beige as accent colors throughout. Created a timeless, versatile, and sophisticated look. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I think I have successfully created a modern minimal living room that is cozy and functional. Thank you guys for watching all the way through. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.